Myself Mithun Ravindran from Kitagawa India, General Manager, taking care of Pan India and Middle East. So welcome to Marhaba Gulf. In Middle East market, I can see many big components for the oil and gas industries. So for that components, I can see that this type of products may be very useful for this market. So I think they have a very wide range of steady rest up to 1500 capacity. At SteelFab Middle East 2026, it's great to see an Indian manufacturer exhibiting high quality steady rest for heavy duty applications. Fenwick Ravi is from Bangalore and they manufacture a wide range of machine tool accessories. So the aesthetics and quality of these steady rest was the attraction.